Okay, very good afternoon once again.
त्यांचे
I am
डोक्यावर
the commercial break, so they are still doing the prize numbering of the whole thing. So we will know in a few minutes who are the prize winners. But I warn you once again. I think based upon doctors' inputs and the persons who are sitting next to me, I was looking at their numbers also. I think very difficult to decide who is going to win. So I think you better start preparing your speeches. Because time is running short, you will get only 30 seconds for the speeches. Remember that. When you get prizes, your speeches. Okay, so I'll give you a quick 5 minutes until Nirvay says our marks and prizes are ready. A bit about betting. You have seen this from Professor Ahuja yesterday. So I have only one extra slide at the end, which I will show you. But I am very proud to say that betting today is now India's largest medical innovation, you can say, network. We have 10 centers, and within the network, Pune is a hotspot with COET and then of course MIT ADT, with whom we already signed a MOU, and the third one coming up in Symbiosis, with whom we are going to sign a MOU. So with Pune going to be the hot zone of MedTech, and I'm very happy that one more person in the audience, Mr. Ajay Purohit, who is here. He is a senior, he heads the 3D printing division of Tata Motors. And he's so thrilled to be here. So, I think we had the best possible jury because we had doctors, we had people like him, 3D printing, Sir Chandrasekhar, as well as himself, who are 3D printing gurus, manufacturing gurus, mechanical gurus, and so on. So, I think this is where we want very to run. So, this is how looks like. The other things which you see in the screen, there are other medtech areas, medtech labs in the country. You will see some IITs closest to Pune. You also have okay, and we are connected to all of them. We are kind of very friendly with all of them. We share your best practices and so on. So I am personally very excited about the possibility of medical devices. What you have done today, none of the products will be like this. If you really follow this, in the next 1-2 years that they will take, they will look totally different from this. But that is the goal that we all have to do. And I'll talk a little bit about that. We are also connected outside India to some of the major medical innovation centers in Europe and USA and Far East and so on. And we always like to hear what they are doing. But I think we are getting a good recognition both India and outside India. Now, the second thing I want to show you, and also Professor Ahuja showed me yesterday, can you imagine that the previous participants of MEDHA and the Medic event which I'll talk about, they are the ones who developed these devices. And if you see the color coding, if it's red, that means it is a startup company started by someone like you who was participated in MEDHA, just MEDHA or Medic 2 or 3 years back. On the left side you have diagnosis, on the right side you have the therapeutic or treatment devices, roughly, plus minus here. But all the red ones are the startup companies. So you can see audio devices, Metris, New Orca, Mediasa, and there are 2 more actually coming up. These are all devices developed by our innovators who are the startup companies. The blue color is like Canon, Meditech, and so on. They are the Indian companies who have licensed the manufacturing of the devices that are there. And 2 more you can see in green, which is going into, they are already being tested in hospitals, they are going to production soon. 15 products in 3 years' time. I think it's like an amazing thing. So, these labs are for your future version, developing some device. And now, just a little bit about where we are going to go after this. So we are sitting at MEDHA, which brings together the needs from doctors, from Vijay Medical and other hospitals here, and innovators like you, and our mentors, of course. Okay, they are getting together, and of course partner institutions like MIT here. So we are here. Now after MEDHA, what we do is we do one more event called Medic. Now Medic, this event is for working professionals who are committed to doing medical innovation. But also it is meant for teachers who are guiding projects, and also let us say innovation center managers. So there are many innovation centers, incubation centers, the managers of that. So those among you who are already working professional, like the doctors who are part of the team member, definitely can attend Medic this year. And those of you who are in 3rd year, 4th year, you're already pre-qualified to attend medic, which will keep happening every year. So for next year medic, you're already pre-qualified. Okay? But the day you decide that you are going to start a company and whatever, you can go and it will completely empower you to start it. So medic is what happens for 1 week. This is going to happen in September 28th to October 2nd in IIT Bombay position. And once medic happens and those people get trained, some of them choose to join back some of the Vedic centers. There are now 10 Vedic centers. So they may join back their own parent organization. It's a teacher from MIT ADT can join back MIT ADT and continue to work on that. Some of the innovators say, okay, we are going to, especially innovators, young people like you, they'll say, okay, I want to now, many times they resign from their jobs, maybe in manufacturing, whatever, and they come and follow their heart. So for that, we give a fellowship of 1 year. So in 1 year, you're supposed to take a device from this stage to a stage where you can actually try it on human beings in hospitals. 1 year, sometimes 15 months, maximum 18 months. And that is what the Betic does. You can join Betic centers and do that. Once that happens, we tell them to put the device in an exhibition. The exhibition is like an acid test. The doctors and the public and other people say, can I buy that? So then you know exactly that time has come for you to start a company. So Sign is a place in IIT Bombay they can start a company. Places like this exist in almost all institutions. Incubation centers, innovation centers, to start your own company. And then going to the actual market. The whole idea is from that data to use making money, getting your first year's income should be less than 3 years. And it is not preaching. We have actually done it. The 50 products which you are seeing, some products have reached the market from doctor walking in saying we want this to the device being actually used. Shortest one was I think Clubfoot device. They celebrated 1 year of successful clinical trials on about 60 babies. Okay, for whom they were correcting the Clubfoot. 18 months I think they did the whole thing. 18 months from doctor to walking in, problem definition to device being mass produced. So it's possible to do in India. We keep thinking that it's possible only in India. Say, no, sorry, it is possible in India. Now the last thing I want to share with you, are the prices ready? Oh, good. So I'll make it very short. I was thinking to myself that the beautiful people that I come across, all of you people like that, what is the secret of the success? So I asked many people, what is the secret of success? From top people in the government, secretaries of the government of India, to successful business people, to successful doctors who I work with these days, of course, teachers and so on. So they said that this is what it's like all about. Okay. So they said that in life there are only 4 things. One is that you figure out what you love to do. You figure out what you are good at doing. Good at means you are trained for, your academic degree, your training, whatever it is. What you are paid for, which is what you are actually doing as a job. Okay, teacher, innovator, businessman, whatever. And also there is a 4th side, which is what the world needs. So if you cross them, you will get 4 sections. What you love doing and what you are good at doing is your passion. What you are trained academically and what you get your salary for is your profession. But after your job, you go back to your colony and teach mathematics to your colony kids because you love to do that. That's what your vocation is, what you are paid for and what the world needs, because the kids, poor kids need that. And maybe they pay you some $100 tuition fee, so you can be paid for. That is what you are doing after your time. That is called vocation. Okay? But what the world needs, and what you love to do is a mission. Now there is a complication after that. Supposing you are good at doing something, suppose you love to do that and the world needs, but you are doing free of cost. Then you are delighted, but they are not making any money. But supposing you are good at bottom side, you are good at doing something, you are paid for it also, world also needs, but don't really like it. Then you are comfortable because you are making money, but you feel empty from inside. Okay. Similarly, if you are, let us say, love to do, you are good at doing, you are paid for it, but what you are doing is useless for the world. No one wants to. Yeah? You are excited, you are satisfied, but you feel useless. And if you switch to the right side completely, world needs, you love to do, you are paid for, but you are not really good at doing that. You have never been trained for doing that. And you are excited, but you are never sure someone else will come and do it better than you. So the trick in life is to find something which satisfies all the 4 quadrants. Okay. So I have been looking at it. I didn't know. Okay. But I love to do what I'm doing, which is basically looking at young people like you, entrepreneurs like you, hold your hand, take you forward, show you how to, let's say, start a company, how to maybe, be successful and so on and so forth. And now a beautiful team, you have seen all the mentors. We have a beautiful team of people from designers to people like Rupesh who can guide you to create ideas to manufacturers like Sagar here. Okay. So with this we are able to now create some magic. So I wish you well that you find in your life something satisfies all of them. And that's what I call as your golden swan. Swan is a symbol of peace. And golden swan is a symbol of peace and prosperity. Okay, so may you find peace and prosperity, may you find something which makes all the four criteria. That's all I have to say to you. Thank you very much. And we will now wait for the prize. So may I call So maybe for announcement, can I call Professor Renu?
Exciting part of the whole thing. Thank you, sir. I am excited, delighted. I think I'll be satisfied also.
Just one minute. This is the most beautiful product. I think I can guess what happened. At least from the two people sitting next to me. By the way, the other person sitting next to me was Mrs. Rita Gupta. She left because she had to go back to Bombay to be her kids. Just wait for 2 more seconds. Okay? But I forgot to mention that she is the one who talks with all the movie actors. So she recently created an advertisement called Shamashkam with Farhan Akhtar, if you have seen. And if you really want to meet Amitabh Bachchan, someone mentioned Amitabh Bachchan in the morning, right? If you really want to meet Amitabh Bachchan, she is the person, but unfortunately she had to leave. Okay? So I was speaking at their numbers, so I thought, शायद ये हो सकता है, but I didn't thought it would happen.
I don't know. So this paper says to close scores, all are winners.
The scores are all between plus minus 5 and %. Do you remember could have put 3 instead of 4 and 4 instead of 3? But then we need a sufficient margin of a gap to say this person is a clearly first prize or second prize, third prize. But looks like everything is within a band of maybe 80-90% of whatever it is. So happens once in a while, I suppose, but well, so we have enough prizes to give you. That's another problem. So maybe then I'll call Professor Vinayak to come and give the prize.
He gave the speech last minute.
Okay, so you know the sequence, right? How is it going to happen? Okay, so let me take that suggestion. Team number 1. And I can sense that. So he literally hit a pipe, that wire hook, and actually he hurt himself. Just to show that how a hook is going to burn tissue, he ended up hurting himself, but they didn't make that screw. They didn't make that. You may have to do the acceptance pieces. So right now, accept your prizes, and then you'll be ready for your short one sentence. crisp and clear. Problem definition की तरह. Okay?
It was an amazing experience for me. Actually, I have no words to say.
Good. Not bad.
At first day, we don't know.
It's okay. It's one of the side effects. It happens.
It was amazing.
Good. Thank you.
I had a great team and the mentors were really helpful. Like we got to know a lot of people and different streams.
I just want to say I told Rupesh first that I don't want to go from here because I'm really liking this experience. The brainstorming thing, I'm from a medical background, we don't know anything about it. We started brainstorming anything. We just had this card and we were brainstorming about it. We got the concept, then we started brainstorming about our prototype, our idea, the proof of concept. It was really amazing and I just want to stay for one more week and live this experience.
I would thank myself for coming in.
Thank you very much, team. Team number 2, can you come on stage to collect your prizes, please? Quick. This is going to be fast. Yeah, only one person in the center can collect the prizes. You all can stand. Yeah, just stand for the photo if you can. And really great effort, sir. You said that you are the eldest and you really lived up to your energy and passion. Thank you very much. And thank you, sir. Please get that table there in the late night at 4 o'clock. But thank you. Great energy. Thank you very much. So let me hand over the mic.
Being doctors, actually, when we try to become innovator, it is really a very struggleful way ahead of us. And Medha has given us a very best platform. And I must thank Renu Madam for encouraging me to participate in this event so I could know about Medha. And Medha, here I could meet right people for whom I am searching since last 4-5 years. Actually. So, thank you very much.
Wow, first of all, cheers to everyone, please. Amazing. This is my first time being at Mela. I'm just a third year student, so this is all just amazing. I got amazing mentors. I'm the youngest in this group, and at every time they would come to me and they would leave their problem. They'll help me instead rather than going through the problem. So it's amazing. Thank you all.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank the Medha for hosting this event and I would find myself quite fortunate to attend this because till 11th hour it was not confirmed like will I attend this event or not. So thanks for everything and it was quite fortunate that I got the good team and we worked really well.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, like learning we decided that like if this product wins or not, it doesn't matter. But we are going to work on that. That's what our future.
Yeah.
We are going to work on this product.
But great effort, guys. I don't know where you got the pipes from, but you did manage to get the pipes and get a great certificate. Thank you very much. So, team number 3, quick. Line up. Run. Okay. Probably the team which ended up creating a lab into their manufacturing unit. They were all over the place in that lab. They needed a separate room. They had all the thermocol cut out. They had all the prototypes ready. They had pens. They melted things. They broke things. I don't know what all they did. There were 5-6 people. Everybody used to go and hundreds used to come running out. And I knew that. And that was amazing. Nice energy, guys. As in, you had 3 prototypes built in one night. Right? So, great efforts. Thank you very much.
The last night was like quite a hectic night. We were quite behind of everyone. We were thinking like we won't win and self demotivated. But after winning this, I feel like yeah we can do it.
Okay.
want to mention a small thing that a very small stupid dream came true. I don't even know if it's very significant, but I got to use the super glue gun. I'm very excited about that. And if I knew that I could work till 5:30 a.m. in the morning, I'm sure I would have done wonders till now.
Great, great.
Well, to add to it, you are never too sleepy when you have deadlines. You have no option.
I would like to say something. I've never even stayed up so much at a night, even when I've gone for a party. It was such a wonderful feeling for me to be part of this event. Thank you. Great. I hope you enjoyed more than a party. Okay, where's your fourth person? This left. Right. Again, great effort, guys. Till late night they worked out that they were not sure what is the prototype they are going to make. They were not sure what are the limitations with the device they have. But finally they managed to actually get something out, and great efforts.
First of all, thank you, jury, for being so generous. And as sir said, till 2 last night, we had no idea what topic, what idea we are working on. Till 4:30, we had no prototype in our hands, and here we are in front of you. And special thanks to Ravi sir for encouraging me to attend this event. And how can I forget sir for fitting me in the last moment. So
thank you, Dr. Renu, for doing that.
Okay, so 24 hours and we came up with a concept, at least not the best idea maybe, but a concept which maybe has given me the confidence that I can actually think of an idea before, as sir said, we question ourselves, maybe someone else might be better than us. But right now, after this, I can at least come up with an idea on my own and then work on it later maybe. And also, I got to meet all these people, not just my team, but other teams as well. Multidisciplinary, we got to know the importance of that. I myself am a mechanical engineer, I'm doing designing, and now I have an interest in biomedical as well. So that's wonderful.
Great.
I would like to say something that my education is from the electronics engineering. I'm not related to work to develop research and develop the medical equipment. So it was very great experience. Then when your education is your skill, you are getting used. You can use your skill to build your passion. So it was a very great platform to work my skills, to work my passion. So thank you, Renu ma'am, and thank you, Ravi sir, Professor,
Thank you.
to bring out this event here.
Thank you very much for all the energy that you have put into it. Thank you very much. Team members, okay, come quick, team members. Okay, this one team had different concepts. They had socks. I don't know how they managed to get the socks. They had all chappals. They washed shoes to make that prototype. They got some sandal washed. They cut the sandal. They made a slipper. They broke the slipper to get the slither out to show that they can actually make that. And they actually sutured the socks in the night to the platform. So great effort, guys. Really, really nice.
I would like to thank Meta as well. And what Meta has teach me, keep trying, whatever it may matter, but keep trying.
Thank you everyone. It was a wonderful experience in coming up with people for different disciplines and understanding how their mind works in terms of solving single problem. So in that sense, multidisciplinary sense, I think it was a great experience for me. Thank you.
Actually, before coming to Niga participating, I had no idea that what is going to happen. And now I'm eagerly waiting for participating in the next competition. And what a wonderful team I have got.
Great, thank you.
So I learned many things from this event. I discovered one thing about myself was that I can stay awake whole night for studying. And thank you, sir, for pointing out mistakes so that we would be had improved.
Great effort, guys. Thank you very much. So the quietest team probably, and the team which finished their prototype the earliest. And actually everybody liked your prototype with the neck thing, where where they had a sensor attached. They did try. Actually, they could have finished much earlier if they had an application engineer who could have developed the app for them. But great efforts, as in all from medicine background, and they still managed to get the sensor working. And thank you very much for that.
Thank you all. Thank you, Megha. I just like to say it reminded me of my student days, staying up all night and working together. It was a really great experience, and I got the direction. Actually, I had 2 devices innovated by me. I really didn't know what to do out of it, but now I came to know. So definitely, I'll keep a follow through. Thank you.
I hope you take them forward now. You have a good team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Medha, for giving us such a wonderful platform.
No, you should tell your background.
I am from veterinary background.
So round of applause for somebody.
I just wanted to come here, not to participate. I just don't know that whether I will participate or not. At one day before, ma'am given me permission for this event.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm using this platform for appealing you all engineers here that in veterinary field there are too many problems here, but we don't have such a platform like VETI. I discussed with sir that can we have such a platform for veterinary.
I told you you can go start your own Medha for veterinary sciences. You just need engineers and doctors and animals to work together. Just start it. Just start it together. Very close.
This is the first time to came North India. It will good experience for me, and I learned more things for last night. And I have a good teams, 2 members. Thank you. And I try to dance as staff who encourage me to participate this event.
Thank you.
And I am also from Tamil Nadu. The last night gave me 2 answers. That is, who am I and what is hidden inside me. And I didn't even expect this is a thing I can do. Forming a team, I went on asking shall be formed team to some members. But I can't, they expected me to say something, but I can't. But finally I got a good team where I can give some answers, and my support really depending on my team only. I really thankful to my team, and I'm very thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Nice effort. Thank you very much. Okay, the team which actually came up with so many ideas for the laryngoscope. Okay. By the way, yeah, we have some photos, just to give glimpses of how it is, but keep continuing. So nice effort to actually make the prototype, and sorry to trouble you and say that can you move forward towards the prototype. They had something working, electronics separate, hardware separate, and I said, is it possible just to mix together? With a smile they accepted that, and by morning they finished that and they actually uploaded a great effort, guys, to work together.
Good evening, everybody. One thing I realized last night was doctors need to learn a lot of engineering, and engineers need to learn a lot more of biology as well. The combination of the fields is highly essential if we have to work together with devices.
It was a stressful event, but I had a good experience.
I'm very thankful for my team, especially the doctor. She encouraged us a lot, and before coming here, I did not have any idea, but I wanted to learn something. But now I'm sure that I learned what I expected. More than that, I learned from here. Thank you for providing me. Thank you.
I am also from Tamil Nadu. From yesterday night experience, now I am feeling undermanned engineer.
Good. Thank you very much. He has a constant smile on his face. Doesn't matter whether it is 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever it is, he says, yes, we'll do that. Yes, we'll do that. That also will do that. Great kind of a team, where one of the team member had a very strong idea, and three of the members all like to convince him that there are different ways, but they didn't manage to get the auto switching device working up and running. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for putting that kind of brainstorming in your team itself throughout the night.
I would like to thank everyone. I had an amazing experience. I enjoyed every bit of it thoroughly, and the food was amazing.
All of them were saying that it was stressful. I am a medical student. For us, nights in the casualty are 1,000 times more stressful. We have to manage everything. And this was a stress buster for us. Like so liberal. People are playing music for us, and we have that kind of. It was very unique and it was great. It opened up minds. Like 12th के बाद 10th के बाद जो हुआ था ना, बायोलॉजी जाना है, मैथ जाना है, बायोलॉजी गया तो इधर का सोचने का ही नहीं, वो गया अभी दिमाग से, सोच सकते हैं अभी.
It was a nice experience. I gained a lot of things, and the team was very supportive also. And thanks to Medha as well as Betty, and all the mentors were also very supportive.
First, I would like to tell you that I am the person that we have worked very less. Because actually what happened, I have filed near about 11 patents and developed near about 163 products. So I was always thinking in different manner, and it was really difficult to me to convince these people. And from last two nights, I was not able to sleep because I was busy in different programs. So finally, I left them and I went to hostel, and really they have worked till 5, and I am really very much thankful to Rinman and Medha, because up till now I was working only on the industry product. Now it has opened very huge opportunity for me, because I am finding lots of opportunity. There are n numbers of patents you can file.
And I hope you can take n number of products to n number of people also. Thank you very much. The last thing, quick. Also, in the prototyping and handling the design, they literally had made an office out of that room. So great effort, guys. Again, probably in late night, when I asked you, can you add 2 more sensors? Happily accepted. He said, can you create the curve out of that? Happily accepted. He said, can you create the environment that this is what you can see? They happily created. So great effort, guys, and great energy. Thank you.
The experience was very much awesome, and it gave me an idea that how a person should work and how a problem should be solved next. So the perspective of thinking should be increased, and I've learned that.
Nice.
First of all, thanks a lot for the humbling reviews which we got from all the experts in the field. So that we could think in those domains specifically. And a small lot of thanks for all the volunteers. You guys are awesome. Thanks for that.
One thing about any hackathon in general, which I know, is that now I respect my time a lot. This was the longest 24 hours in my life. Like seriously. Like I just understood that I waste a lot of time in my day, so probably it can even benefit me in my academics. Second thing is that I also understood that the human body is probably the most complex system that we are working with. So doctors are actually a very subtle genre of engineers, and yes, so they have a greater potential to be an innovator than an engineer. So that's something that all the engineers should learn actually.
Nice.
Thank you. Got to learn not only to assess problems from the medical aspect, but also learn about sensors from my experience.
Thank you very much for the effort. Okay, team number 10. Okay, the last team of the day here, today morning, and still trying to manage to get the sugar cube, and they didn't find sugar cube, so they ended up getting a polo. They thought that maybe polo can be inserted to connect the 2 tubes. But so they had a team where they both believed in that idea, whereas the other 2 were more practical in it. They were like, yeah, that's okay, but what if people question that it may not work? They were like, no, let's make something which works. They were like, no, it's okay if it is crazy. There's a chance that it may work. So great to see that kind of energy between you. Thank you very much.
I was really surprised by the
activity called brainstorming. By doing this, one can find many solutions which solve one problem.
So happening. I felt this huge range of emotions in such less time. I felt like I was the dumbest person alive. Like at one point, I felt like the smartest one. I was stressed. I was excited. I was nervous and whatnot. And last night was like a party. And the best thing about all the mentors is that they made us feel so comfortable that we were feeling like these are our friends. So thank you so much. And
We are going to listen again to her song again once they finish their session. She beautifully sang something.
Seriously, I have never used my brain this much.
I'm a PhD student with Professor B. Ravi. Actually, I was supposed to be a mentor here, but I selected to be a participant here because I heard a lot of things about Meta from my lab mates. Finally, I think my decision was not wrong.
Good, good. Thank you. It's a beautiful song. It's very scientific.
not the whole song,
But whatever you can, try.
it's a periodic table song. Does anyone here say nickel, aluminum, selenium, hydrogen and oxygen, nitrogen and rhenium, nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, iron, magnesium, lithium, uranium, europium, nicolium, lutetium, vanadium, lanthanum, and oxygen and nitrogen and helium.
Thank you very much. So, yeah, officially from my side, I'll pass on to. Thank you very much. Okay, the fun is not over yet. Ma'am, sir. Is something else? Yeah. The mentors decided on their own that there is something else.
So this is cover says mentor appreciation. Okay, nice. So this is thank you. This is a good thing. So looks like beyond everything, mentors said that some people deserve special appreciation. So I am privileged to call upon these names and
Yes, so these are the people who went extra mile to bring mentors a smile. So that's just related to that.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so my privilege to call number one, Akash Dilip.
Quick, start.
Yeah. Next, Lokesh Sharma.
You can see the energy. And the energy. While he was doing his prototypes.
Then Sagar Mode.
Professor Sagar Mode.
Jinisha Jain.
I could see that she was so sleepy, but still she was making the presentation. I was so energized because of that. Thank you very much for staying up late. Thank you very much.
Sayali Rajesh Gujarati.
Wow, the number of times she would have ran from that room to that corridor, I think you would have lost definitely 1 kg because of that. If it's possible. Thank you very much for that.
Tanmay Sanjay Jadhav.
case we have.
Anyone wants to collect?
Oh, she can collect it on her. He's so methodical, straight to the point.
Gandhali Santosh Shinde.
She literally made the prototype in probably the last 2-3 hours or something. The whole demonstration. Great. It was almost time when people were giving up. At that point, she brought her team back, saying that let's make the prototype. So great effort.
Actually, Tanmay was the one behind the brainstorming about that sugar thing.
Ah, that's fine. He's
He's
very
working with
methodical.
3-4 teams at the same time.
He is very methodical.
Ajinkya Himang.
Nice. Thank you.
Madurai Veeran C.
The note is nice. He's so polite, he's so humble. Nice to see. Thanks for the
Mrudula Sanjay Khade.
Very competent electronics engineer. She has managed what I've seen other Medas. People struggle to get one sensor right with one Arduino, with one program. She managed to get 3 sensors, the program right, everything on perfect, and all with a smiling face till the morning. Thank you very much.
In case the other Mrudula thought got missed out, there's one more Mrudula. Mrudula Sunil Rautmare.
Nice. Thank you for the energy. So literally, I think at 4 o'clock she made that song about the elements, and the whole crowd went alive. And a lot of singing happened after that, and a lot of music happened after that. But thank you very much for that.
And Chinmay Ajay Purohit.
I was not sure about him by the way when he started, but come. But what ended up was really nice because his questions at the start were like, how are we going to do this? How is it? He didn't have a team. I was not very sure. I was like, is he going to be a team player? But you proved me wrong. Thank you very much for that. You actually turned out very good.
So special congratulations to all of you, and my own wishes to for you to take it forward or take something forward in life which will benefit many people. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Madam,
Ravi sir for everything. We are coming to the end of the program, but we are coming to the beginning of a new thing, a new revolution in biomedical devices. So with this, I will just propose a very small informal vote of thanks. Thanks and respect to all our management people. I thank and our director Vinayak Aisa sir for always leading us and encouraging innovation at the institute. Thank you so much, sir. No words are enough to express deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Ravi and his Vedic team, and also Dr. Rupesh. My sincere thanks to Dr. Ahuja sir and his COP team for guiding us at all levels, right from the concept till final execution. Thank you so much for the hand-holding. We really required it. I thank all the eminent jury members and their valuable time and their interest in the projects. We will remain connected, and it will be nice if I invite all of you to please come and interact more with our students. I again want to thank my dear staff very much. Staff, you have missed family time. You have stayed all night, many of you. I have a lump in my throat when I say all this. You have put up with a lot of inconveniences, and but now I'm seeing satisfied smiles on your faces. I'm feeling very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear students, for attending, for volunteering, for everything.
You are amazing. I don't know, everybody is getting ideas, brainstorming. I'm also getting one crazy idea. If Ravi sir allows, I will tell. And I'm thinking that, why did I waste so much time during my PhD, 5 years? Hackathon mein jana tha. I'm thinking, next time they should have PhD by hackathons. Yes? And we finished time. Why? This guy struggles for 5 years, 6 years. So, this is also one crazy idea. We can propose to UGC and other bodies. So, I request Ravi sir is in many policy making bodies. He will take it forward. Yes, we have Pro Vice Chancellor here. I think Chandrasekhar sir, please. Kindly requested. Yes. Really, I mean, if you can do it such short time, why do you years, 4 years, 5 years? No, very happy about all this. And hats off to you, really, Meta participants. You have done a very, very good job. Seeing these 10 prototypes and feeling, like just when I saw this, I entered this room, I really got goosebumps. I thought, already ready with all this, really amazing. And the way you work, the way you've given your acceptance speeches, I'm really humbled. Very nice. And even though the program is over formally, but I hope you will continue to be innovative, you will continue to interact, you have made so many new friends, be in touch, stay connected with us also, and take back home the lovely memories. Okay, send us good mails, thank you mails, I'll respond to all of them. Okay, and come back again for Meta 2019.
Thank you, ma'am. There's one last thing.
I don't think anybody has thanked enough Dr. Renu herself.
Yes.
So, I really appreciate the applause. The kind of coordination, the hard work, the preparation that was behind, you need all the forces lined up, and she's definitely that. So, she has been thanking profusely the faculty, but forgetting herself. So, absolutely, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Professor Vinayak, and thank you for arranging and making sure that this also happens. Thank you very much. There's a last routine which I do. All the white shirts who have been working tirelessly, could you please come on stage? All the volunteers. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I can't forget my mentors. Mentors, could you please join them on stage? Do they deserve? Did I miss anybody? Yeah. Dr. Nishan, please. You were there till 5 o'clock. Please. He traveled from Nagpur all the way late night and then came directly here and he stayed till 5 o'clock. Thank you very much. Saket for taking all the beautiful photos. Saket is still taking photos. Saket, please. Please, thank you very much for combining.